ChatGPT and Power BI. Combining ChatGPT and Power BI revolutionizes data analytics by offering dynamic, AI-driven insights directly within interactive dashboards. ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities enable users to query data conversationally, making complex analysis more accessible. Power BI's robust visualization tools transform these insights into clear, actionable graphics. This integration enhances decision-making efficiency, driving business intelligence to new heights.
The future is now. Intro to AI for Data Analytics. Hello everyone, and welcome to ChatGPT for Data Analytics. The advent of AI is transforming our world and revolutionizing our professional lives. As data specialists, we now have access to cutting-edge tools that enable us to work more efficiently and effectively. In this course, we'll delve into the realms of deep learning and generative AI, examining the rapid advancement of large language models like ChatGPT and Google Bard. We'll equip you with free tools to enhance your skills and elevate your work. Additionally, we'll explore the nuances of prompt engineering, share tips and best practices for generating consistent and accurate model outputs, and discuss common limitations and potential pitfalls. We'll also highlight some of the most impactful and practical applications of ChatGPT in data science and analytics. You'll learn to use ChatGPT for explaining and interpreting code, creating formulas from scratch, diagnosing and troubleshooting errors, optimizing complex queries, and much more. This beginner-friendly course is designed for anyone eager to utilize modern technology to work smarter and make more informed, data-driven decisions. If you're ready to harness the power of AI and stay ahead in your field, this course is perfect for you. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Setting expectations. Let's start by outlining what to expect from this course. This course provides an overview of how data professionals can leverage AI tools, including a broad introduction to the AI landscape and tools such as ChatGPT. We'll explore practical applications for data analysts, but won't delve deeply into the technical workings of large language models or provide an exhaustive list of their capabilities. For our demonstrations, we'll primarily use the free versions of AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard, with brief mentions of some paid alternatives. Keep in mind that AI is an extremely fast-paced field. The tools and technologies you see today may evolve rapidly. Despite this, the core concepts and best practices covered in this course should remain relevant. The course is modular to suit your needs. The first half is a general overview, covering the AI landscape, tool introductions, prompt engineering, and best practices. The second half allows you to focus on tools you use most as an analyst, such as Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Python. Note that there may be discrepancies between what you see on our screens and your own due to the nature of these AI tools. Our aim is to provide you with ideas and techniques that you can adapt to your work. With that said, we have a lot to cover, so let's get started. How AI is revolutionizing data analysis. Why AI is a game changer for data analysis. Hey there, in this video we're going to explore why it's essential for anyone pursuing a career in data to master AI tools. The rapid advancements in AI, with tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard, are transforming complex tasks that once took hours into ones that can be completed in minutes or even seconds. This technology is revolutionizing the field, and we're only at the beginning of its potential. Some aspects are already impressive, while others are still developing, but continuous improvements are on the horizon. Here are some key reasons why every data professional should integrate AI tools into their workflow. Firstly, AI can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency. By automating routine, low-value tasks, you can focus more on high-impact activities that add real value to your work. AI can also serve as a helpful assistant for checking your work, offering coding support, and providing quick answers to your questions. Staying up to date with these tools will ensure you remain competitive and on the cutting edge of your field. Now, let's address a common concern. Is your job as a data analyst at risk due to AI? Rest assured, AI isn't here to replace you. The idea that AI will eliminate the need for human talent is greatly exaggerated. Companies will always need human intuition and expertise. However, the skills needed to excel as an analyst are evolving. We refer to these essential skills as the analytics trifecta: strategic thinking, technical proficiency, and communication skills. Technical proficiency is where AI shines, helping you work more efficiently and bridging technical skill gaps. Yet, AI struggles with strategic thinking and communication. Analysts who excel in these areas, effectively telling data-driven stories and advocating for business changes, will stand out. By combining strategic thinking, excellent communication, and AI-enhanced technical skills, you can become an invaluable asset to any organization. Learning AI tools is crucial for maintaining your competitive edge. While AI won't take your job, someone else proficient in these tools might. Imagine being a data analyst today without knowing how to use spreadsheets or the internet. Soon, we'll view AI tools like ChatGPT in the same light. The time to learn is now. Building a successful long-term career in data requires a solid foundation in essential skills, excellence in strategic thinking, and effective communication. Continuously sharpening your skills and adapting to new technologies will ensure you remain valuable in the ever-evolving data landscape. Just as tools like Tableau and Power BI became essential, AI tools are the latest addition. With a strong foundation, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and a commitment to learning new technical skills, you'll have a rewarding career that any business will highly value. Use cases for data analytics. Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore some of the most common and powerful use cases for AI within the analytics workflow. AI technology offers a wide range of possibilities, and we're excited to share a few key examples with you. You can use AI to generate code or formulas, serve as a tutor to explain technical concepts through targeted questions, and assist with troubleshooting or debugging. If you have lengthy or complex code, AI can help by adding comments to improve readability. Additionally, AI can optimize queries and formulas for enhanced performance, create step-by-step tutorials, and provide data visualization tips to elevate your data storytelling. It can also automate tasks, research specific technical topics, and generate sample data. This list isn't exhaustive but highlights some of the most impactful applications we've encountered. In this series, we'll demonstrate these use cases in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, Power BI, SQL, and Python, offering detailed walkthroughs for each. Keep in mind that while some AI applications are already highly effective, others are still evolving. By mastering these techniques now, you'll be well prepared to leverage future advancements in AI technology, maximizing your effectiveness as an analyst.
Thanks for joining our video. Would you be interested to know more? Please contact us to www.icertglobal.com or email to info@icertglobal.org.